If cancer, diabetes, or autoimmune disease runs in your family, this may be one of the most hopeful videos you have seen today. Have you ever been told it runs in your family? Maybe it's high blood pressure, diabetes, or cancer, or an autoimmune condition. And deep down, you've wondered, does this mean it's only a matter of time before this happens to me? Let me share you some encouraging news. You see, my first degree was in biology, and one of the first things we studied is DNA. The DNA, the remarkable molecule that carries genetic information from one generation to the next. Your genes are incredibly important. They help shape the aspect of who you are. But there's more that modern science has discovered. Genes are not the whole story. There's a fascinating field of research called epigenetics. This word simply means above the genes. It explores other factors in our environment, such as our nutrition, our sleep, our physical activity, stress, relationships. All these are also important and they affect the genes. I have a favorite quote from Dr. Gabor Mate. It says, the genes load the gun, the environment pulls the trigger. I think that's a powerful way to understand it. Your genes may influence your risk, but your risk is not the same as your destiny. That's why two people with similar genetic backgrounds can have very different health journeys. So if disease runs in your family, don't lose hope. Your genes are part of your story, but they are not the author of your future. In part 2, follow me in part 2 because I'm going to share with you the everyday factors researchers have believe influence how our genes are expressed and why that should leave you feeling hopeful. Follow for part 2. My name is Ayomide Adeyina and I'm a root counseling strategist. Bye-bye.